So nature is really important. We rely on it for all of our basic needs. So the food that we eat, the plants, the animals, the water that we drink, the shelter, the clothes that we wear, typically cotton, wool, all of these come from nature. At the moment, the population across the globe is using nearly twice the amount of natural resources that the earth can provide. So it's simply not sustainable. We need to move to a more sustainable relationship with nature in the same way that we've talked about net zero, aiming for net zero in terms of our carbon, our greenhouse gases. We need to start talking about being nature positive, moving towards a positive relationship with the natural world. I would suggest start thinking now about three things. Firstly, what is your baseline? What is your relationship with nature? Secondly, what metrics are you going to use to record, to measure your relationship? And thirdly, what targets are you going to set to move the business towards a nature positive impact, to do your part to move the world towards a more sustainable relationship with nature?